For those who woke up early enough this morning, you may have had a glimpse at the Venus transit, a unique occurrence which won't be seen for another 105 years. Sky gazers, astronomers and students in the Emirates all gathered at 5:30 a.m. this morning at the American University of Sharjah. Equipped with a pair of protective glasses and a telescope, they were all given the chance to watch one of the rarest cosmic sights, often referred to as the rarest of predictable astronomical phenomena. It is described as a small dot gliding slowly across the face of the sun as it passes directly between the Earth and the sun. The observation was organised by the Dubai Astronomy Group in collaboration with the physics department at the university.
A few centuries ago, the distance between the Earth and the sun, which sets the scale of the solar system, tells us what the different distances between the planets are, was almost totally unknown. This was the first event that allowed people to determine indirectly the distance between the Earth and Venus, and therefore the distance between Venus and the Sun, and then the distance between the Earth and the Sun, which tells us then later what is the distance between the Earth and Mars and Jupiter and so on. The transit of Venus across the face of the Sun is a very rare astronomical event. It occurs on average once every 60 years or so, but it is not regular. It occurs once every century, then about 8 years later, then another century later, then 8 years later, then another century later or so. Since the invention of the telescope, this event has occurred only 7 times. We will not witness it again here on Earth until December 2117, more than a century from now.
For scientists, it's not just about capturing inspiring photographs, but as far back as the 18th century, transits helped astronomers measure the distance between the Earth and the Sun more precisely.
What we are observing is a beautiful disk of the Sun with sunspots on it, and then also a small circle crossing by the disk of the Sun, which is the planet Venus. And this is a very rare event, as I said before, and it looks tremendously beautiful for public to observe it, and definitely to have a scientific values which is considered inside. But for today, we are just trying to explain the things in a very simple way and make it available for the public to view this rare event.
And up next, we have the day's business news, so stay with us.